How to clear YouTube cache on iPhone. Quickly guys, let's go. You'll start by clicking here on settings. Go here to the general option. Now click on this third option, iPhone storage. Now you're going to look for the YouTube app. In this case, it's right here. Once you find it, you can click on it. You'll be taken to this page. Unlike Android guys, they don't give you the option to clear the cache directly. What do you need to do here to be able to clear it? You're going to click here on this option, offload app. Go ahead and click. What will happen? They will uninstall the app, but all your data will be kept and the cache will be deleted. So we're going to uninstall and reinstall quickly, clearing the cache and keeping your account data, okay? So you click here on offload app. As you can see, the option to reinstall app will appear, so click on it. And that's it, everyone. Now you've just cleared the YouTube cache on your iPhone, okay? That's how you do it. I hope I helped. If I did, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.